coming south. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen Proving Ground, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spassuti Island, Aberdeen Proving Ground, and Delaware Grace. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official national